This is a 2019 Ram Rebel. As you're gonna see in the video, it looks like the main pulley or the pulley tensioner is loose, or the belt is not tight enough. I don't know what's going on, but as you can hear in this video, my engine actually sounds, the best way to describe it would be like a supercharger. So listen up, let me know what you think. I'm not a mechanic. I just put the video inside of my vehicle so that you guys can hear it, and maybe we can troubleshoot it together. What do you think it is? I do have an appointment at the dealership so they can get it fixed. Hopefully it's an easy fix, and hopefully I still have time before something else breaks. It do get louder as you're driving, and when you downshift,